You know, when it comes to wiring, you guys always got a lot of different options. You can be somewhat legit, get some nice crimpers, and actually assemble the pigtails yourself. And in my opinion, sometimes the butt connectors, they have their place. So I decided to pick these up. This is the first ever crimper that I found that was made for a butt connector. This is a insulated butt connector crimper. So let's give them a shot. So let's try those. A little bit more flat of a crimp. That one's nice and tight. I like that. Seems pretty good. I like that. You can pull on it nice and tight.